May Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World, today God has invited us, some selected spiritual souls from the planets to the house of the God, house of the Creator of the world. And God has teaches us the great lessons. And after then, God has instructed us to give this beautiful message, important message on the planets and save the humanity and save all living beings in this beautiful world. So this was the subject. To our global family members, Israel and Palestine must stop their wars. As per God's plan, the nature is playing her role as the mother of the world and mother of all living beings in this beautiful world. God is only one Father. As a creator of all living beings in this beautiful world, God always wants to love and give pleasureful lives to all living beings in this beautiful world. God has gifted entire beautiful world to all living beings freely and use of entire world equally. But without this knowledge, today Israel and Palestine are fighting for land areas and material subjects. Now, God has allotted divine duties to me as a mother of the world for saving this beautiful world and provide safety, peace, and pleasureful lives to all living beings in this beautiful world. Last 57 years, day and nights, hard works done constantly for preparations. At present, we 10 crores peace-loving devotees from all countries will not allow to any country for playing any types of wars with any other countries. If convinced with our talk, as per our talk, now with Israel and Palestine, then we 10 crores peace-loving devotees from all countries will always stand with these countries and will provide all types of our kind services at the time of natural calamities and citizen-made calamities in these countries. We will help to reform and rebuild these countries by our cost freely, unconditionally, and without any expectations. Now, we also desire to make all countries with zero defense budgets and transform this money for build up strong infrastructure, best education systems, and best health services to all people to provide best living standards and pleasureful lives to all people of all living beings and all living beings. We will not permit any wars, so automatically production of wars weapons will be not needed. So we can save these money powers and transform this money towards uh, for better pleasureful livings, pleasureful lives to all citizens, to all this global family. Now God has given us all types of powers. So if UNO will not perform its duties timely, then our 10 crores UNOs will take place and perform our duties from all countries and from uh, 10 crores spiritual hearts of our 10 crores devotees as a UNOs. Please share your experiences and we will spread to each and every corner of the world. I am praying to all people of the world. Please be united for these noble causes. Oh God, please make your blessings and knowledgeful powers to all minds of Israeli people and all minds of Philistine people so that they can stop their wars. Now it is needed for peaceful world. Oh, our God Father, Creator of this world, please give knowledge to all people of the world too. God bless. Up to next meeting. We will meet from time to time. This message we received, we learn from House of the God. It is not my own thoughts and it is not my own words. These all words and knowledge and divine message we received from House of the God. We just perform our duties to saving all living beings in this beautiful world. We are all members of this beautiful world. So that just I performing my duty as a mother of the world. I love all living beings in this beautiful world and I deeply love to all humankind, all people of the world. So please convince with our words and make this beautiful world a peaceful world. God bless. We will meet from time to time. God bless.